Hey, what is up guys? In this video, I want to do a really quick review over the Monozell portable battery powered vacuum cleaner. This thing is super nice to have in your vehicle if you want to be able to easily clean stuff up. Super sleek, has a really good battery life on it. Just want to go over some of the features for it. So charging it, you charge it via this Type-C port here. It includes a Type-C cable that's about 2 feet long. It also includes a brick here, so you don't have to worry about having any kind of break or anything. It literally has everything you need to charge it, having no issues whatsoever. As far as turning it on, there's your power button here. You're gonna have a display here that's gonna tell you your battery life and also what mode you're on. So it's gonna be loud here, but I'm gonna turn it on. You press and hold to turn on. It puts it in eco mode. You press it a single press, which puts it into high mode, and then you press and hold again. That turns it off. Or I'm sorry, you press it once and lets it turn off. So I'm gonna demonstrate that now. That is eco mode. That is max mode is what they call it. And you can see a little battery indicator there as well. And then you press again and it turns it off. You've also got a little battery, I'm sorry, a little LED light there. So whenever you're vacuuming in the dark, it gives you a little bit of illumination so you can kind of see what you're doing there. As far as dumping it goes, you've got a little latch here. You push that, that dumps out the dust in your trash can without you having to touch anything, which is really nice. I like that feature a lot. Actually unlocking this top port here, you just twist it. You got your HEPA filter in there. It includes an extra HEPA filter here, so you just pull this out just like that. And then once you've got the new one installed, you just slot it in place. You can have it in different slots there, but I tend to slot mine just like that. Doesn't really matter as long as it locks in. As far as the different attachment goes, so first one is this extension wand here, so you're able to kind of get in little tighter spots. This side just slots in here just like that, and then you can attach, for example, I like this one a lot for my car, but you're able to put that in there and you can get some of those smaller spaces where you can't normally fit a larger vacuum into. So I really like the extension it comes with. Also includes a little brush style here that you can use to agitate dirt out of like carpets and whatnot, which is a really good attachment to have. So overall, I'm really happy with this. It's super nice to have in your vehicle because it's so portable. It allows you to be able to easily get in tight spots, tight spots without having to have some sort of special big vacuum. Small messes on the go, especially if you have a lot of kids. Making messes everywhere, having something like this is really nice to have. So if you guys are looking for a great portable vacuum cleaner, I would highly recommend you guys checking this one out.